Hello, hi students, welcome back. Today we are going to learn our new lesson, and next lesson is exploring MS Word 2016. Lesson number 3, class 6. Let us have a look. This chapter includes header and footer. What is header? What is footer? How to inserting header and footer. How to add date and time in header and footer. Inserting page numbers, footnote and end note, what is mean by hyperlinks, what is bookmarks. These are all going to cover in this chapter. Our first topic is header and footer. What is this header and footer? See here, notice the pages of your book or textbook, any book. There are few things that appear at the top and bottom of every page. They may be the book's name or chapter's name or page numbers. The text which is at the top of the page is called header, which is at top of the page, that is called a header, while the data at the bottom of the page is called a footer. The information carried by the header and footers may differ from one document to another document according to this type and category of the document. Headers and footers can be simple as the document title and page number. That this can be called as simply like document title and page number called as header and footer. But you can create header and footer that contain graphics, multiple graphics on fields. Let us see more on this header and footer. If you observe this document here, one example I am showing here. There is one ABC fruit wholesaling company, that is called heading, that one we will call as header. And down, if you saw here, date 17/11/2012 and page number 1, those are called footers. I hope you understand this, what is header and footer. Now how to insert header and footer. Step 1 is click on insert tab, then click the arrow next to the header option. The header gallery will appear having various header designs. You can scroll your mouse to select the style of header of your choice by taking the cursor of the mouse to the header and clicking on it. Once header style is selected, type the required text in the space provided. Press escape to finalize the text. Let us have a look on video. Let us see how to open Microsoft Word. Click on start button, then write here WORD, then it will show Microsoft Word. I am having 2010. If you are having 2016, no issues. 2007 also fine. Then click it, Microsoft Word will be opened. This is called Microsoft Word. This is called document where we are going to work. Let us see how to insert header and footer. Click on insert. There is a header option here, header and footer group. There is a header option. Click on header. Then there are so many options. Which type of header you want, you can choose from here. See here, so many are there. Now I am going to click on this one. Now write the title of the document title. Document title. I am writing here lesson 1, the new beginning is the lesson name. Now it is the header. It will appear in every page of the your Microsoft document. Let us see. Now I am writing here something. I'll go to the second page. I'll go to third page. See here. You can observe here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are total 5 pages. Every page is there. New header is there. Now same with the cases, how to insert the footer. Click on insert, go to the header and footer group, then click on footer, and I will write here written by, I am writing here ABC. Now click on OK. Now let us see every page it was applicable or not. See here, all the pages footer also came. In this way we can apply header and footer. Next one is how to add date and time in header and footer. Double click the desired area, click on date and time. The dialog box appears. Select any format of the date and time and click on the OK. The current date and time appears at the point where the cursor was placed. Press escape button to see the date and time. Now let us see how to add date and time in the header and footer. Later on we will see inserting page numbers also. Open Word, click on insert and click on header and footer section. Again here, now there is a date and time option here, or else insert header and footer. You can click on the second type. There is a here, I want to insert here date and time. Click on date and time, which type of format you want, add. See here, there are so many formats are there. I am selecting 26th August 2020. Click on OK. See here, the date has been came. Now same with the case, let us see how to add page numbers in header and footer. Double click the desired area, click on page number. The dialog box appears. Select any format which you want to page number to be appear, like top of the page, bottom of the page, and click on it. The page number appears at the point where the cursor was placed. Press escape and you can see the page numbers in every pages. Next one is how to insert page number. There is a page number option also here in this header and footer section. Click on page number and current position. You need to click on the current position. How you want to get the page number? Just plain number or this one. Click on plain 1. I clicked 1. Now we will see is it applied or not. I am scrolling down. See here in page number 2, automatically page number 2 has been came and date also there. And center one you can keep the title also. I am writing here our lesson number only. Example lesson 1 and double click and scroll down. You can observe here page number 3, page number 4. In this way we can add the page numbers for our document. And okay students, that's all for today's class. Meet you in next class. Till then, take care and stay safe.